10 foods you can eat a lot of and not gain weight. A lot of people who live in the Western world will at some point in their lives struggle with weight issues. According to the World Health Organization, in 2017, 2 out of every 3 were obese or overweight, and most other countries are not far behind. People make efforts to eat less, or in some instances restrict their diets. However, people still need enough energy to get through the day. So what foods can we eat a lot of and not gain weight? Here is a list of 10 to consider. Before we continue, please be sure to subscribe and click on the bell icon to be notified of our future uploads. 1. Broccoli. Broccoli is seriously high in soluble fiber and very low in calories, which is fantastic for fat loss. It has no calories, which allows you to eat it whenever you want without having to worry about gaining weight. 2. Kale. Kale has some weight loss nutrients such as vitamin C and calcium. According to the review published in 2005 in the Journal of the American College of Nutrition, higher vitamin C intakes are associated with lower body mass indexes. The authors of this review also point out that getting enough amounts of vitamin C increases body fat oxidation during moderate intensity exercise. 3. Tuna. Tuna is an amazing food. It can help you lose weight around the belly while having no impact on your muscle growth. Tuna is extremely high in protein and has a high thermogenic effect. This means that the body can burn a huge amount of the calories provided by a high-protein food, such as tuna. 4. Celery. Celery stems are 95% water. They help you lose weight and detoxify your body due to their diuretic effect. So, eat away! 5. Beetroot. Beetroot contains very useful nutrients, such as manganese. They help to burn fat, drive your muscles, and regulate your blood sugar. 6. Eggs. Eggs are a brilliant superfood which speeds up metabolism and burns fat. You can eat them day in and day out without having to worry about gaining weight. Eggs are well balanced with amino acids, which are the building block to building muscle. Eggs are also a huge source of chlorine, which is a fat-burning nutrient. 7. Legumes. Legumes, such as beans and peas, are very good sources of protein and fiber. Combined with a low energy density, they are ideal for weight loss. 8. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits are very high in pectin, which slows down digestion and increases satiety. They also have a very high water content. Grapefruit, for example, is 87% water, meaning it fills you up quickly with hardly any calories. 9. Quinoa. Quinoa is another fantastic superfood, apparently one of the best in the world. It's extremely high in fiber, which helps to clean out your gut at a faster rate. It helps to lower cholesterol and improve colon health. 10. Apples. Apples are another food which is made up of water, approximately 85%. They also contain plenty of pectin, which leaves you feeling fuller for longer.